Hi everyone. My name is Rehan Muhammad Gosan, and today I would like to explain about my system with use case diagram and activity diagram. So, first of all, I will explain my use case first. Okay, so as you can see right here, my system is task priority list system, which is um, if someone, if the employee wants to do his jobs, he don't get too confused because he can choose whether the priority it's either the deadline, value, and quantity. Okay, so uh, this is manager, this is employee. So uh, I use this system on an agency. So let's say there is a client and wants to use the agency, and the client asks to the manager what he wanted, and then the manager assign the task, and the system will auto prioritize the task, and then the employee will look at the task, and then after he done the job, he will update the task, and both of them of course need to log into the system, so the system know if this guy is a manager or employee. So next is the manager diagram, activity diagram. Okay, so you can see right here, he needs to log in. The manager needs to log in, input username and password. If it's verified, you can go to the task manager, and if it's not, then you should retry the input username and password. Okay, so after you log in, there is a menu task manager from the system. After you go to the task manager, the manager can assign the tasks from the client to the employee. So after the assign the task, the system will automatically prioritize the task by these three um, category. First is value, deadlines, and quantity. And after that, this will show up in the task list, which can be seen uh, also from the employee. And then after the task list, the manager can choose he wanted to see the updated task or not. If it's yes, then he will check. If it's not, then it's the end. That's it. Okay. And then the employee. So after the manager assign the task, the employee will log in to the system verification. If it's not valid, then he should retry. If it's valid, he can view task list. As you can see, view task list. In this task list, there are tasks that been given from the manager. So after he done the task, he do his job, and then he choose, do you want to update the task? If uh, he's done, then update. If it's not done, then update. But if he wants to only check the task and then don't wanna update the text, then no, and then the system will end. But if he's do his job, and then he will do the task and update. Okay, like this. Okay, I think that's it for my system, for the explanation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand about this system, and you can correct me if there is something wrong with this diagram or system. Thank you so much. Bye.